These are the flowers. I think this is a seed, first part of the seed formation of Digitaria albudens. This is one of the very beautiful Digitaria that I saw. It occurs, it varies in height. If the location is good and all, it becomes up to 4 feet, 6 feet even. Then in other locations it is much shrunken, and it is quite easy to recognize because of that delicate filigree type of the seeds. So that is one flower. Here we can see bunch of the flowers. Mainly the shapes are very delicate and nice. And then in the watering, this one has to be careful, because if there is too much force, the whole thing will lie down and sleep off. So that has happened to this plant already. That's why it is going off to a side like this. Now I'll do the 10 times magnification. Then quickly we can see the rest of the plant. One stem I will take, that's what I normally do. Here we can see the leaf. It is hairy through and through. So we can see the whole plant is having hairs. So in all probability this is one of the that C4 pathway grass, because from my observation I found that those plants have this type of little bit roughish type of hairs that are good for I think it conserves moisture. My own suspicion, though I don't have any evidence or anything, is that it gathers dew so that some extra moisture is there in the morning hours. The whole stem, everything is having hairs, that's one thing. Then in that nodes, this part we don't see hairs. And leaf is like this. Then here the second flowering part is inflorescence is emerging, this one. That one. From here it is emerging there. Here also we don't see flowers as such. So that is I showed now this leaf, and then the first flower, that second inflorescence, this one. Then the first one is above this one. Maybe come up. Then the so this is the main inflorescence, this one, this part. So we can look at it once again. ಸೊಳ್ಳೆ ನೋಡು ಬಾ ಕೂತಿದ್ಯಾ ಅಂತ. ತುಂಬ ಶಬ್ದ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ, ವೀಡಿಯೋ ಹೊಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಲೈಟಾಗಿ ಓಡಿಸ್ಬಿಡು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಲ ಹತ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೂತಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡುವ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಸಿ ಎನಿ ಪೆಟಲ್ಸ್ ಎನಿವೇರ್. ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ. ಹಾಂ, ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಸೊಳ್ಳೆಗಳಾಗಿ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ತೋಟದಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕಾಲ ಹತ್ರ ಎಳೆಗೆ. ಹಾಂ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಹಾಂ, ಸಾಕು ಬಿಡು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಒನ್ ಬೇಸ್ is actually one plant. So entire thing is here, you can see here everywhere. So it has been watered little bit. So it's emerging from there. I'm not sure whether this is perennial or annual. I hope it is perennial, because that saves a lot of work for us in the garden, mother plant collection and all. So starting here, then all the multiple stems are emerging from there. These hairs are actually quite beautiful. Through and through hairs are there. Then each stem is having one or two of that inflorescence. So it is about 1 feet tall, this one, and the pot is very small also. The pot itself is hardly some 3-4 inches. So with that much limited resources, it is able to grow to this height. So we can have one last look at these flowers, and I'll close this video. So this is a beautiful Digitaria albuden, one of the nice Digitaria species. Though I think from fodder and all, it may not be much use, because the biomass content is not much. But it is having a delicate beauty of its own. That's what I liked.